Page 35. Art of Manipulation, by R B Sparkman, 1978. Chapter 3. Tactic 2, How to Make a Slave Out of a Person. 3.6. Applications in your love life. To illustrate, let's apply intermittent reinforcement to your love life. Assume that over a period of several days you're trying to charm a woman, and acting as friendly as possible toward her. She seems to be responding well to your overtures. But sometimes you feel like she pays less than rapt attention to what you say. Immediately you know the time has come to back off, and be a little cool and uninterested. Ignore her for a while. But don't act like a hurt child, and look foolish in the process. Instead indicate through your behavior that you can more or less take her or leave her. If possible, subtly make her jealous by talking to other women in front of her. Remember, people want what they can't have. Now she may begin to doubt that she can have you. Your independence and confidence are attractive. You're saying in effect, I want you, but I can always have other women if you're not interested. Take it or leave it. Now she doesn't know exactly where she stands with you. If you charmed her to begin with, if you reinforced her, you can bet that she'll be chasing you in no time. Her human nature will surge, and she'll begin to want what she can't have you. Intermittent reinforcement has put her under your control to some extent. Soon you should have her working madly for the kind of reinforcement she has come to enjoy. After you withdraw the reinforcement, usually wait for her to make the next move toward you. If she doesn't come after you, then you probably weren't reinforcing her to begin with. Or she's pathologically shy, which is highly unlikely. Better concentrate on someone else and come back to her after some time has passed. As a last resort, when your intermittent reinforcement fails, read Chapter 14, If All Else Fails, Try the Dirty Way. This chapter reports a backup alternative that remains after your abortive manipulation fizzles. Understanding intermittent reinforcement takes a great deal of the mystery and romance out of the helplessly loving in vain syndrome that we've all seen. But any measure of mystery that this knowledge subtracts it repays by giving you a more firm control of your own love life. What you get out of a love affair is left less to the whims of fate, which can often be cruel to you. Instead, you can take what you want by aligning yourself with one of the powerful quirks of human behavior. While you'll find the most use for this technique in your private life, don't overlook the opportunities to use it in your business dealings. For instance, if you're a manager, don't worry about chewing out a good employee. Being rough on him sometimes will probably make him work better for you. Intermittent reinforcement, like any tactic that works in your love life, can also be adapted to a business setting by a clever mind. Page 37.